Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back to language class. In today's language class, we shall work with the language workbook. In the language workbook, open page number 23 where we have a revision activity. The words with the sounds which we have learnt in all these days. We have an activity here to write the names of the pictures. Let us see what are they. Owl. O and W makes ow sound. Owl, owl. B, oi. O and Y makes oi, boy. Th, moth. T and H together makes th. Graph, gr, the blend. A, ph makes f. Graph, graph. Sa, sa. AW makes a sound. The next word, out, mouth. O and U makes ow sound. T and H, th. Out, mouth. Qu. Q and U together makes qu. E, l, quill. The double consonant word. Even though we listen to the sound of l once, we have to write double L. K, oi, coin. O and I together makes oi sound. Chess, ch, the phonogram. A, s, the double consonant. Even though we listen to the sound once, we have to write the letter twice. Whip, w, the phonogram. W and H together makes w. E, p, whip. After completing this activity, let us move on to the next one. Change the first letter and write the rhyming words. Children, I have already told you in the previous classes that rhyming words are one in which the beginning sound changes and all other sounds remains same. Brown, brown, where br is a blend. I have changed br to cr. Then the word brown becomes crown. Cr is a blend. O and W together makes ow sound. And the last sound is crown. Brown and crown are rhyming words. Let us see the next word. Foil. Oil. Foil. O and I makes oi sound. So here we have to change letter F to some other letter. So here I have changed letter F to C. The sound has been changed to K. K, oil, coil. Foil and coil are rhyming words. Let us move on to the next activity. Trace and read the words. Here we have few words to trace, children. I'll read the words for you. You have to trace them and I expect you to read the words while tracing. The words may look bigger to see, but children, you have learnt all the sounds, phonograms, the double consonants, blends, everything which are involved in these words. So it is very easy for you to read. Just try it once, you will get it. D-A-P-Th, depth. Broth, broth. Q-E-K, quick. Plastic, plastic. Chest, chest. ch, crunch. When. Splash, splash. You can split. Splash, or you can read it as splash. Bobbin. Still we have few more words to read. Pound, pound. Brown, brown. Spoilt, spoilt. Enjoy, enjoy. Launch. Crawl. All the sounds which we have learnt in the previous classes were covered here, children. You can read each and every word by your own. After completing this, let us move on to the next page, where we have an activity to write EI or EY or A-E. So what is this A-E? A and E both are? Yes, they are vowels. So what is this dash here? Here comes a consonant. A consonant in between the vowels. In the previous class, I have taught you regarding this concept, children. When a consonant comes in between two vowels, the last vowel sound remains silent. Okay, you got it? And the vowel which is at the first place will take its long sound or its name itself as the sound. So here in this page we have to write these and trace the given words. Before going to this activity, we shall work with the materials. We shall revise it once. You have already learned this in M2 class. Still I am going to revise it here with the material. Let us see it once again, children. EI. Let us see few examples with EI as A. The first picture card that I am going to take is whale. For that, the beginning sound is V. I will place letter V for V. V. A. The next sound that will listen in the word whale is A. For that I will place E and I both together. After A in the word whale, the next sound that will listen is L. Whale. Whale. Children, whale. Let us see the next picture. Vein. Veins. You can see the red and blue color inside the red and blue color pipes. The structure of pipe inside our body, they are called as veins. The first sound when I say vein is V. After V in the word vein, the next sound that will listen is A. For that, I'll place E and I both together. E and I sounds as A. And the last sound that will listen when I say vein is Vein. Vein. Let us see the next sound given in page number 24. Is EY as E. The first picture card that I am going to take is, children, can we call it as hockey? Yes. So when I say hockey, the first sound that will listen is H. For that, I'll place letter H. Or K. For the sound K, I'll place C and K both together. Hawk, E, hockey. For the sound E, I placed E and Y both together. Hawk, E, hockey. Let us see the next picture card. Children, can you recognize this animal? Yes, it is a donkey. When I say donkey, the first sound that we listen is D. D, O. For the sound O, we have to place letter O. After D, O, in the word donkey, the next sound that we listen is N. After N, in the word donkey, D, O, N, K, we have to place letter K for K sound. After K in the word donkey, D, O, N, K, E, donkey. We listen to the sound E, where we place E and Y both together. Hawk, E, hockey, and D, on, K, E, donkey. Let us see the next example. The next example is A-E. So children, as I've told you earlier, when a consonant comes in between two vowels, the last vowel remains silent, the sound of last vowel remains silent, and the first vowel takes its long sound here. Or we can say the first vowel takes its name as its sound. Let us see few examples. Children, can you recognize this picture? Yes, it is a skating shoe. Let us call it here as skate. When I say skate, the beginning sound that we listen is sk, the blend. Letter S and K together makes sk. After sk in the word skate, we listen to the sound sk, A. We listen to the A sound. Sk, A, T. Here comes a consonant T, where I place letter T. And we don't listen to the sound of letter E here. Children, you should observe this. Skate, skate. Even though we don't listen to the sound of letter E, we have to write it. Got it, children? Skate, skate. Let us see one more example. Can you recognize what is this? Yes, it is a tape. When I say tape, the first sound that we listen is T. After T in the word tape, the next sound that we listen is A. T, A, P. After A in the word tape, we listen to the sound P, where I'll place letter P. T, A, P, tape. Children, you can observe, we won't listen to the sound of letter E here. So I have told you earlier, letter E remains silent, the second vowel remains silent, and the first vowel takes its name as its sound. You had observed that letter A is read as letter A itself in these two words. Got it, children? Let us move to the textbook activity. In page number 24, we have an activity to write E-I, E-Y-R, A-E and trace the words. The first picture is skate. Skate, skate. Here we have to write letter A and the last letter is E. Children, you have to trace the other letters. Prey. See, here you can see the eagle is carrying its prey. pray. EY makes the sound A. Grapes, P. Even though we don't listen to the sound of letter E, we have to write it. The next picture is whale. E-N-I. Tape. T-A-P. Tape. Even though we don't listen to the sound of letter E, we have to write it. Date. Letter A and E remain silent. When I say cake, cake, letter E remains silent here. Vain, vain, E-N-I. Gate, gate, letter E remains silent here. After completing it, still we have few more activities to do. Trace and read the words. Children, I'll read the words for you. You have to trace them and read it as well. Grey, apricot, skein, plate, fade, main, rain, convey, lake. After completing this, still we have few more words to read, children. The words are chase, flake, blaze, state, status, volcano, faint, way. Dear parents, kindly help your child to understand the concept and complete the word given. Thank you.